Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify stuck. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify stuck, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of of Spotify here. Then in this list, we click force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us via like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.